right. Yes, they are clean now. Look at, they are clean. And put out the water. And this a little. Yeah. So, after you have do that, put again. Be careful for not get all like this. And again put some salt. Salt. Don't know in English. The big salt. So come on to see what's happening to them. Now you put some again like this. All right. Mix a little like this. The salt on the snail. All right. Let's clean again and again. Coming again. Anything you can do, I can do it better. And anything you do, I can do it. No, it's not that. And anything I can do, you want to do and try to do while I do. It's my philosophy. It's my philosophy. Resourceful. Can do everything if you want. So like that, again and again. A little more. All right. Now they don't go out, and we became about 10 minutes against, and we do against a clean of them. So we waiting.